Hello everybody and welcome to another experience with all things e-commerce. I thought that this week I would share with you how I boost a post within Instagram. It's something that I need to do every single week. We boost a new post every Monday or Tuesday. We have 3 boosted posts running at any given time. They run in rotation of 3 weeks. And today is the day to add a new post to our Instagram page. So I'm going to walk you through the steps. I'm going to go to feed post, and we are going to be doing a beautiful post with all of our spa packages. And most importantly, because it's Mother's Day coming up, which is why I thought it would be a good idea. So here they are. And it's going to be on a banner. So I'm just going to select all of the posts. And we do these really smart Canva posts so that everything is on each creative. You'll see the name of the package or the treatment, the location, my WhatsApp number, and also the price per person or per couple in the bottom right hand corner. Now I'm going to go and look for pictures of customers who were recently there. I had some influencers who went to the spa, and I'm hoping that I can find them to add because that will really complete. Okay, they're coming up. So here, so you're only allowed a total of 10. So we're going to include these. And then, so first I put all the packages that we are offering. Then I would put a review, maybe a screen grab of a review, which we don't have space for today. Then I put pictures of the customers, and then this is my final slide with our contact details. So we're going to go through all of this again when it's complete, but we don't need to be changing the quality of the images. They're all in there looking really nice. We have real customers who've actually done the experience, and then of course we have the stock photography that we use in the actual creatives because that needs to look the best. So that all looks fine. Then of course I have completed the text. Otherwise we would be at this for way too long. I'm posting to Facebook as well. And obviously I have already done the text, so I'm going to put that in there and just run it through with you. Very, very short, snappy caption up at the top, followed by the cell phone number, WhatsApp to book, followed by a coupon code incentive, which is there. That will drive customers to go and shop independently online. And then we include our inclusions as well as exclusions. I've just made this heading need to know. All the answers to frequently asked questions you would put within need to know, or inclusions or exclusions. So all of the areas of anxiety, confusion, or customers just needing clarification on anything, I would include that in either a heading called need to know, inclusions or exclusions. And again I've included my WhatsApp number for bookings or inquiries, and then the little camera icon where I have included the social media handle for the influencer who went and actually took those pictures of herself, her partner and her friends having a lovely day at the spa, followed by a total of 10 or so hashtags that have been researched, all relating to spa treatments, spa day, overnight spa, romantic spa, that type of thing. You are also welcome to tag somebody, but I have actually tagged the influencer there because she sent those pictures to us. it's always good to have a location as well. And the location is Hartbeespoort Dam. That's very important. So I'm just triple checking that I have everything there. Everything, like I said, has been spell checked and prepared before I did this. Otherwise, it would have taken too long. Takes a little while to load. So, as I was saying, that's pretty much how I boost a post. And we have 3 going at any given time. We like to keep things fresh on our Instagram feed. I think we need to remain conscious of audience fatigue. We can't have the same images and adverts flashing in front of them all of the time. Otherwise, eventually they'll just switch off and they'll start ignoring our posts. I'm really hoping that this has uploaded nicely. Yes, it has. Perfect. So there we go. It's uploaded beautifully, so we can go and have a nice look to see what it looks like. It's looking great. Everything's in there. Pictures of customers. Like I said, we would have a review, but we didn't have enough space for that. That would be something that I would include. And of course, I'm going to promote it now. And I'm going to say that I'd like to have more profile visits or more messages about the spa packages. I am going to create a target audience. Create your own. We're going to call it spa. Spa audience. Locations, I'm only going to focus in Gauteng because that's where all of our customers are, and that's also where this spa is, so it makes sense. Interests, spa, spas, beauty salons, beauty, skincare. We could also have relaxation, leisure, entertainment. So here we're finding the interests. Spa day, day spa, destination spa, anything to do with recreation, beautiful skin, etc. So we're going to take that as our group, and then of course we focus on 27-year-olds, and on Instagram that probably goes to about 37. We'll make it just 40. And we are keen to keep it as females for this particular audience. And we're going to say yes. That looks perfect. Yes. That all looks fine. And then we usually boost for 50 Rand a day for 21 days. But we'll let it take us to 30. That's fine too. I'll just cut it. I don't know why it's not letting me go to 21 days, but that's fine. And there you see it's 1,500 Rand. Off we go. And there it has you can preview the promotion, feed, stories, explore. There's the goal is to get more messages. Spa audience 27 to 40 in Gauteng. Budget is 1,500 Rand for 30 days. And the payment method is there. And then we can create the promotion. There we go. It says nice work. It's all done. And that will go into a review until it is approved. So I hope you found that helpful. And I hope you've learned something. And you're welcome to go and have a look to see exactly how I'm boosting my posts. All of the information that I'm including, covering all of the customers' anxieties, questions, need to know, etc. Keep including your phone number or however you want customers to get hold of you. And good luck with boosting your posts on Instagram. It certainly is working for us. And the method is very similar to Facebook, which I will share with you in the coming weeks. Take care. Bye-bye.